I want to show you how you can make meetings more productive in 60 seconds. First up, go to dockethq.com, sign up for an account. Then once you've logged in, you're going to see a screen like this. Docket's going to sync with all of your Office 365 meetings in your calendar, which you can see down the left-hand side here. So I have a meeting today at 2 o'clock. How does it make me more productive? It allows, first of all, me to plan an agenda for the meeting. So by easily clicking on here, I can add an agenda item. When I'm complete, I can click the Share Agenda button, and it will email a copy to everybody who's signed up for the meeting. Alternatively, I click the Collaborate button, and those people have the ability then to sign into Docket and to add items to our agenda so that we can collaborate. During the meeting, I move over to the Notes tab, and then from here I can add notes against all of the agenda points that we've put down. I can also assign a due date for those points, and I can assign an owner, again from the people who are listed within the meeting. Lastly, by hitting the Share Recap button, it's going to do exactly the same thing as we did with the agenda and send out all of the points to all of the attendees, or the Collaborate button. So that's meeting productivity in 60 seconds.